What inspired you to start RMC Wins and how has the journey been so far?
The journey started around 7 years ago, and it's been a very nice journey. And basically, my father, who's a mentor to me, he gave me this idea of I should pursue this field because while I was an undergrad student, so I organized a couple of events there. So again, wahan I got an inspiration and understood that this might be the field to go to. And alhamdulillah, it's been a very nice and a journey with full of ups and downs, mostly ups, alhamdulillah. So it's been great journey.
So, as the CEO, what core values do you believe have contributed to the success of RMC Wins?
When we talk about the core values, basically it's for me it's just those three things: hard work, hard work, hard work. Yeah, in these times, you do hear that smart work is also better than hard work. But again, I'm a firm believer that if you're working hard, ultimately you will eventually learn the trade of smart work as well. But to kick off things, and when we talk about core values, so there's nothing compared to hard work.
In your opinion, what sets RMC events apart from other event management companies?
I think, to be honest, the other agencies working in Pakistan and Islamabad are doing very well, and I wish them very good luck. But again, what sets us apart is the client servicing, because for me, when I started my career as this company, so for me the most important thing was the servicing, the client servicing, the after sales service. Like we've always felt privileged, like we are the ones who are willing to take a client's call at maybe 5 a.m. in the morning, and that is probably one of the major successes of the company that we have.
RMC Events has organized a variety of events. Is there a specific type of event that holds a special place in your heart?
Well, it's a little difficult to say that, any specific event, but again, for me, these two events hold a very special place in my heart. One, where we represented Pakistan in Dubai. We did a Star Property Expo in 2021, right after COVID, really testing times, but still we were able to pull that off, and, managing 350 people, taking them from Pakistan to Dubai, managing all of logistics, then the event and the expo was a great challenge and very good learning experience. And secondly, a recent event that we did in Jeddah for Parkway City and Fairdeal Marketing, and they opened their regional office in Jeddah, and again, wonderful learning experience. And when we talk about these clients, so they're our premier clients and we loved working for them.
Lastly, looking ahead, what exciting plans or goals does RMC Events have for the future?
When we talk about future goals, so of course there's a lot of opportunity in Pakistan as well, but primarily now we're looking to explore new horizons and new countries, and we've already worked in Dubai, we've already worked in Saudi, and now looking forward to work in other European countries, UK, hopefully Canada. So the sky is the limit for us.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.